Hello everyone, welcome back to Krishna's lectures. Now we shall study about Herbert Boyer. Herbert Boyer did research and he found out about the restriction enzymes of E. coli. Stanley Cohen, he saw plasmids and he identified it, he removed plasmids and he tried to reinsert the plasmids back. So when you combine the work of Stanley Cohen and Herbert Boyer, what you get ultimately is biotechnology. So to understand biotechnology, if you understand whatever their work was, everything will get easy. Fine. There is a patient, imagine, who has diabetes. He has a kind of diabetes where insulin is not produced in the body. So because insulin is not produced, if you go by the logic, we have DNA in the cells, those DNA are responsible. So I'm going to choose that segment of the DNA and I'm going to cut the DNA, only that segment, and that is only that segment which is responsible for the production of this insulin, and I'm going to take it out. Now I will take a bacterial cell and it has plasmids and it has nucleus and it has the nuclear DNA and this is extra nuclear DNA. So this plasmid I will take out of the bacteria. I will take this out. This is the plasmid which is here. Now what I will do is I will take this segment of the DNA and this plasmid and combine both of them. When I combine this segment of DNA and the plasmid, I would be having recombinant DNA, right? So this recombinant plasmid is going to be introduced into the bacteria. So this I have introduced again, this recombinant DNA. So I will going to use the other, I will use different color for this to make you understand. This is the recombinant DNA, recombinant plasmid, which has been attached to the DNA responsible for production of insulin, and this I will introduce into the bacteria and grow it in the lab. Once grown in the lab, it produces insulin. I will take the insulin, I will purify it and then be selling it to the patients who have diabetes. Okay, this taking out of plasmid, reinserting plasmid, and you're using restriction enzymes to cut the DNA, all of these, if you understand, this is the principle. And this principle of biotechnology, whatever we read now, half of it was given by Herbert Boyer, that is cutting off the DNA, that is restriction enzymes, and then removing plasmid, inserting plasmid again, and then about plasmids, everything was given by Stanley Cohen. So once you understand this principle of biotechnology, then next part is we are going to study how to identify the segment of DNA which is responsible for insulin production, how to remove the plasmid from the bacteria, how to reinsert this into the bacteria. Not all the bacteria will take up the plasmids. Suppose we take one petri dish and we start trying to force the bacteria to take this plasmids. Not all bacteria will take, only few bacteria will take. And how to identify those bacteria which have taken this up. So this is going to add to the bulk of the chapter biotechnology. This one by one we are going to study. Okay, thank you.